Hello everyone, welcome back, JavaMentor.net here. In today's video, let's learn about IP address, port, and DNS. So, what is an IP address? Well, the most basic definition is that IP address is your address on the internet, on the network, right? So let's say that two of us are chatting through the Skype. So my computer needs to send my video data to your computer. But how do my computer know where to send that data? There are plenty of Skype users. Well, it will send that data to your IP address. And this can be your IP address, for example. This can be my address. Okay, now we have a problem. My computer sends the data to your computer, but apart from Skype, you have few other applications running at your computer. For example, maybe you're playing some video game while we're talking on Skype, right? So, to which application that data needs to be delivered? That's where the port comes in. And for example, let's say that port for the Skype is 54. So I'm saying sends the data to this guy, to this IP address, and on that IP address, this port is for Skype. And that way, data will be delivered for Skype. If I want to send you data, but to the MOBA game, for example, you're playing Dota, well then maybe for the Dota is 23. So this data will go to Dota. Okay, now we understood IP address is unique network identifier for some computer, and port is identifier of application on that computer. But what the heck is DNS? It's an acronym of domain name server, and the point is, for example, when you visit Amazon, you want to buy books. You go to Amazon.com and then you are scrolling. You basically are retrieving data from the Amazon, right? Amazon is sending you data, but you first need to send a request to Amazon to ask for the data. And you ask from Amazon.com, you don't ask from the Amazon IP, because it would be really big damage. Like, I'm visiting this IP address for books. No, I'm visiting Amazon.com, and DNS is very basic service that will transform actually transform Amazon to this IP address. So when you want Amazon.com, it will redirect you to this IP address. There is only one last small thing that we need to say, that I'm currently on my computer, and to my computer, if I say localhost as an address, that is address of my computer, my local address. That is why we said here localhost, because the database is on our computer. For example, if my Postgres database is on your computer, I will need to put your IP here. I can also put my IP here. If from command prompt, I can try to find my IP address and put it here, it will work properly, but localhost is much simpler because it references my computer. Since we learned about Postgres database, you should know that port for Postgres is this 5432, that is the port for Postgres. And that's basically it. We learned about IP addresses, what are ports, what is DNS. Enough for this video. In the next video, let's learn about endpoints and You will realize why that is important. See you in the next video.